My name's Sam Geisler. I'm an attorney here at Aylstock, Witkin, Kreis Overholtz. I often get calls from clients, mass tort clients, who refer to their case as a class action. And so I thought it'd be important to kind of talk about the differences in those. Let's start with a class action. Imagine that you've gotten a bill from a company and you realize that they've been overcharging you or wrongfully charging you a couple dollars. Now, whether it's a couple dollars or $1 million, if that money was taken from you wrongfully, that's wrong. But because it's a couple dollars, you may not have the resources financially, maybe it's time to fight that case on your own. You may not be able to find an attorney to fight that case on your own. That's where class action comes into play. A class action allows one consumer to fight on behalf of potentially millions of consumers, because we know, even though it's a little bit of money, collectively that's millions perhaps of dollars. And that's what a class action allows to happen, is one consumer fight on behalf of many thousands of similarly situated consumers. And because of that, it's an important protection to consumers. Let's talk about mass torts. Mass torts are usually in the context of a physical injury. It can be maybe a drug that causes someone to have cancer, causes a cardiovascular injury. And we know that injuries are unique. Everyone's different, just like everyone's medical history is different. And because of that, it's a little bit different from a class action. They have to look at those individual issues. However, there are many issues that are the same. For example, does a drug cause cancer? Does a drug cause cardiovascular injuries? The answer to that question and the science beneath that question can be the same for many thousands, if not millions, of consumers. So that's what a mass tort allows to happen, is a judge oversees the answering of those collective questions, and then the case is evaluated or litigated on those individual aspects that are different for everyone. Does this drug cause cancer? Can be resolved. The science underneath that can be resolved at that consolidation level. But the question of whether the drug caused that person's cancer is resolved individually. At AWKO, we represent consumers, whether harmed physically or harmed financially. If you or a loved one has been injured by a product or has suffered a financial harm, call us today.